Hey guys, Okana here. I'm going to talk about some charts, some assets. First of all, remember the video I made about USDCAD? It's this one here. I talked about, I said, is a 160 pip move coming? And I was forecasting multiple assets, and one of them was the USDCAD. So if you look at it, you will see price was about at 1.273, something like that. So if you do the math, and check it out, you can actually see it's been dropping even more than that. So the analyzers were pretty good. So if we check it out where the price is right now, we will see it's 25 for 11, approximately 190 pips. So it did drop more than 160 pips, and the decision of shorting the USD CAD was a good one, just going put options and going with the trend. So let's take a look at the USD CAD right now. Is it going to go lower? I mean, it's possible. If you look at it on the monthly, we have an even number here, 1.25. So it's very possible, very likely that we get a dip all the way down here. You see the EMA 200 also intercepting this round number here. So that could be another, 40 pips or so drop all the way down here before going up, or we could have a retracement also before going down. But the round number is possible that the traders will push down the price, and then we have lots of buyers coming in here. If you look at the monthly charts, very huge number of amount of buyers. On the weekly you can see that, you can see it on the daily charts as well. You see here large bounce once the price finally reached this round number here, even dipped below before it got pushed up, so that could be expected. And once it's reached, I would not do any more put options because it's dangerous. Price could reverse. If we look at EURUSD, actually I have a target here. I've had it for some time now. If we remove, you can see the EMA 200 is already broken, so we have this high here. You see this on the weekly charts, the top here, it's at 1.1740. If you look at it on the monthly, you can see it as well. It was support, it's become a resistance. So it's very likely, and we can see today market's already opening. It's opening bullish already. So we just have to follow the patterns that we have here. We got one breakout there, have the breakout here. We could have a breakout here as well. We can see that. We can see that on the lower time frames as well as we move down. So it's possible that we already have one here, but the volatility is low. We will see once a good large candle closes above, on the higher time frame closes above this, like before. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of them closed above the trend line here, and then the trend continued. Even here you can see that one of them closed above, the trend continued. So this one is about 50 pips to go to that target, so it's pretty far. It does look close, but it's not. It's about 50 pips. So for binary options, it's quite a lot of movement, so we could be trading higher lows today. So what else do we have? We have USDJPY, which seems to be negative, in negative correlation. We see this weekly candle drop below this line here, this support line. So we could see a continuation here. It's possible. So what about the Aussie JPY, AUDJPY? So I was short with this asset the last week. Why? Because of this drop here. We can see we got one breakout here, then we got another breakout here from this major area here. And why did I have this target here? Because of this support. You can see this long candlestick here becoming support, so that's one. And the next one is here. If it gets pushed down, closes below here, continuation is here. We can see again a large bullish movement here, so this could be another target. So I'm going to remove these old targets unless price moves up again, in which case we're gonna have a retracement all the way here. You can see it was trying to get back, but it failed so far. So far this trend line here is holding actually, which you can see clearly on the lower time frames. See, price opened with a gap here, opened way below this support, and came back all the way up, but got pushed down. So that's 4 assets for you right there. I hope you like it. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you traded the USDCAD, if you made some money on the drop there. Thanks for watching, guys.